guys, my name is Jennifer and welcome back to my channel. I am filming with my new camera today, so please bear with me while I work through the kinks with lighting, with angles, like all that good stuff. I went from Sony to Canon, which I know is the other way around that most people are going, but that's a story for another day. Today I actually have a jewelry subscription to share with you guys. This is my first month of it. I did receive this free so that I can make a video and share with you guys about it. And so let's just get started. So the jewelry subscription service I'm talking about is Mintmongoose, and I believe their website is just mintmongoose.com. The owner, Helena, I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly, had just been so nice that she sent me one bag for free. This product is a monthly subscription service, like I said, so if you subscribe to anything like Ipsy or BoxyCharm or Birchbox or whatever for makeup, this is basically the same thing but for jewelry. I believe her bags cost about $12 a month, but it does not include shipping and handling. So I looked on the website, and to ship to Minnesota it costs about $3. So I would be paying about $15, $16 a month to get this subscription sent to me, and there's supposed to be 3 pieces of jewelry in here, and she was nice enough to also include a bit of a discount code. I will list that here on the screen with what the code is and what that kind of gets to you and all of that good stuff. And let's get into the unboxing or unbagging, since this is a bag. So if you guys are familiar with Ipsy bags, they always came in like these pink foil envelopes. This is basically the same thing, it's just blue. And I'm going to go ahead and tear this open. So it looks like she packages in this cute little kind of pillow box, if you will. It's got a little stamp on it, which I believe would be like her seal, the Mintmongoose seal. This is like a super cute ribbon that I feel like, oh, well, the little wax seal just fell off and it's just the ribbon now. But I'm gonna go ahead and, there we go. Ooh, there's a piece of candy in here. This is the Werther's, and I believe the green wrapper is the caramel apple or caramel something. I might be old, but I actually like Werther's. And here's everything packaged. So Mintmongoose, that makes sense. All of her packaging is like mint. And want to unwrap this. So like I said, it is $3, 3 pieces of jewelry every month. And I don't know if they ship internationally. I forgot to look that up. Maybe I will look it up and include it somewhere here. But ooh, okay. So right off the bat, I think I got a pair of earrings, a bracelet, and a necklace probably of sorts. And it actually has another coupon code in here. Give this card to a friend and they will receive their first box for just $7 plus shipping and handling with code FIRST7, and you will receive a bonus piece of jewelry in your next box. So I'm not sure if this is better or worse than the code that she gave me, but I will also list this one, why not? And so let's start with the earrings. So it is pretty nicely packaged in, you know, a little plastic bag. I like that it came in a little like pillow box. I already lost it. I like that it came in this pillow box because the envelope is not squish proof, and I feel like this is more squish proof, if you know what I mean, through like the mail service. It looks like I got a pair of black tassel earrings. So here's one. So it's like black with this little like gold piece in the front or back, I guess, depending on how it dangles. So I'm just going to go ahead and try these on. I mean, they are super cute. And I like that she sent me these in black because black goes with everything, and I like don't have time to match my jewelry to my clothes, if I can be honest. So here are what the earrings look like. I know they are probably blending into my hair just a little bit right now, but I actually kind of like that. It's kind of like it's there, but it's not, but you can still see like the little gold circles. I really like these. I love tassel jewelry, and yeah, like I said, I love that she sent me black because they will match with everything. Moving on to the bracelet, it looks like kind of this arrow-like bracelet. The little arrow bits, the triangle bits, look like they are like a little marble print, and it kind of just looks like it just slips right on, just like this. It just like wants to fall, but this is kind of what it looks like. I So truth be told, I actually normally wear silver jewelry. I don't wear gold quite that much because my engagement ring is like silver in color. It's white gold. I'm just like not bold enough for that yet, and I don't really like to mix my metals, but these like gold pieces so far have been so beautiful. I guess if I owned more gold jewelry, I could actually wear gold jewelry, right? This third item is a necklace. I don't think that she promises 3 like different items every month in terms of like, I don't think, you know, I think some months you might get like 2 bracelets and a pair of earrings, or 2 pairs of earrings and a necklace. I don't think it's a necklace, earrings, and a bracelet every month, so it could be different depending on the month. And from what I gather online, everybody gets sort of the same thing. So there's not really any customization involved. I mean, she didn't really ask, the website doesn't ask for your preference in jewelry and color or whatever, but I think jewelry is one of those things where it's pretty versatile. It's not like, you know, it's like foundation where it has to match your skin tone. And yeah, so here is the oh, the necklace matches the bracelet, you guys. Look, it's like this little marble triangle also with this gold V, and it definitely matches this bracelet, which is super cute. And it's got a lobster clasp. This necklace is actually really pretty. I already have it on backwards. Okay, I need to fix it. I think this is the right way around now. I actually really like this necklace because, for one, it's adjustable. I also really like that these 2 items match, and white marble matches with everything. Same with these black tassel earrings. Probably not together. I don't think I would wear these 3 things together. I would wear the necklace and the bracelet together because they match and they do look like they're a set, but the earrings I think I would wear separate. I don't really know what metal these are made out of. They're, you know, obviously not gold plated or anything like that. They kind of feel like brass. So far to me they seem like they're good quality, but I also haven't, like, I just unboxed these as you saw, so I don't actually know kind of how they'll hold up over time. That is all 3 pieces that came in my Mint Mongoose bag this month. Oh, also I want to mention that when you have a subscription to this, you know, it's like I said, it's $12 plus shipping and handling. So let's say it's $15 for 3 pieces. You're paying $5 per piece of jewelry, which is a pretty big, like, it's a pretty good deal. I feel like that's like Forever 21 prices, and the quality definitely seems better than Forever 21. And also, if you browse their website, if you are like a member, they will have specific like sale on other jewelry that you can buy. So if you see something on there that you really like, the pieces are anywhere between like $5 to $10, I think. So it's a really good deal if you want additional pieces. And I actually don't have a subscription to the service. Like I said, she sent this bag to me for free. And I will tell you why I don't have a subscription to the service. I think if I wore jewelry more often, I definitely would, because it is really hard to find jewelry that I like, and I do actually like all 3 of these pieces. Like I work for a food company, and so I'm in like a lab or a plant setting a lot, and so I can't wear jewelry when I'm like, you know, in a setting where I'm making food, and so I always have to take my jewelry off, even my wedding ring off, and so it's a lot of effort for me to even remember to wear jewelry when I'm not in like a lab or a plant setting, and so I just don't, like, I can't justify a jewelry subscription service where I'm getting 3 new pieces every single month. That is my spiel on Mint Mongoose. I do like the pieces that they sent me a lot, and it's not very heavy, which is also another plus. So definitely check them out if you guys have a chance to. I will link them down below. Let me know if you have any questions. I can either try to answer them or ask her or look on the website and all of that. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button here before you go. Otherwise, I hope to see you next time. Bye!